stand as a man, I have something to say.
Yes.
I
Yes.
think computer games like the alcohol
Yeah. It's good.
is necessary
It's necessarily. It's necessarily.
Yeah, it's
From
necessary
University of Melbourne. Oh, cool, cool, cool.
for a man to maybe relax.
Yeah.
I think you need to make a balance,
Balance, yes.
between your work and your maybe some unhealthy hobbies.
Yeah. Sometimes you need to be a little bit unhealthy. Yeah.
Sometimes we do something like drinking or like playing computer games. It doesn't mean that we are a bad boy.
Yeah. It's obviously you're a good
Yeah,
boy.
sometimes we can find some
Yeah.
ideas from our hobbies, like.
Your hobbies. Yeah.
But even if it is the girls don't like us to do, we should sometimes
You should
we
do
can,
that. Yeah. We should do that.
We should do that. Yeah.
I don't know what I'm listening, but yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Cool. Cool. So sometimes being a bad boy is important.
Yeah, but
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah.
when you fell in love with someone, the best way, it's just my advice for men to
There we go. University of Melbourne giving advice right there.
advice for a boy or for man in
Yeah.
in Melbourne,
Yeah.
In the university is
Yeah.
to follow your
Follow your heart.
follow
your
your
girl.
girlfriend.
Follow your girlfriend.
Yeah.
Oh.
Listen what she say and do it.
Listeners say, and
Yeah.
you become successful.
It's
Oh.
yeah.
Yeah.
If you make her angry,
Yeah.
you spend much time to please her, to make her happy.
Wow. I can feel your situation. Very, very heartfelt sharing. Very, very heartfelt.
Even if it is your fake, you should do that.
Even if it's fake, you should do that.
Yeah.
Wow, that's 含金量非常高，非常高。Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Thanks for the generosity for sharing, sharing your advice, man. That's very, very important for
men.
the young men, yeah. And create a lot of opportunity for our channels, Yeah, for our channel. Anything you want to add? Yeah, any criteria or done,
Actually,
Yeah,
like confidence
confidence man.
yeah, and
Yeah,
worker
workaholic.
hard,
Yeah, workaholic.
yeah,
Okay, not alcoholic.
and can
Okay, not alcoholic. Yeah,
and
Yeah.
full love.
fall in love with you. So how do you make a man to fall in love with you? It's very hard. Oh, what do you mean?
Mm, wait a minute.
A minute. Fall in love. Yeah.
Maybe. I think it's important. It's hard working. It's okay.
Hardworking is okay.
Yeah.
Hardworking is okay. Hardworking is okay. So anything to add? Fantastic, man. Fantastic. Thank you guys. On behalf of our channel, we wish you all the best of your trips and really every endeavor going on. And obviously, subscribe our channels. And we will have your contact and basically subscribe our channel. We send you the YouTube and share it with your friends and family and all that whatnot. Right? It would be interesting. I know that we didn't really focus a lot on academic, but because I know our channels would love to hear something else. Yeah. So yeah, that would be a very, very memorable trip. Yeah, let's just keep in touch. That would be good. Thank you guys. Thank you.